So humans and dogs have a very special relationship, probably because of the domestication that has been going on for thousands of years. Maybe something like a coevolution. It's well known that there are few species that are able to read a human's mind and small muscles in our face as dogs are. So we have probably bred dogs for understanding our emotions and our feelings. So dogs and humans share about 20,000 genes. The total genome is about the same size, a little bit bigger in humans, but essentially we have the same genes as dogs do. So Fia is going to take a blood sample in an EDTA tube, and that sample will then be stored in the biobank. Close to 15,000 samples are collected for research reasons, and there are many different projects, everything from cancer projects, monogenic diseases, retinal diseases. The key thing with all these samples is the phenotype, the diagnosis, and all the information about the individual dog's health status. These two blood samples will now be used for DNA extraction. After we have the purified DNA, we will use them as a reference material for whole genome sequencing, so we need a deep sequencing of one Labrador. Most of the genes and genetic variants that we have found to be associated with canine disease have also been found in humans. The dogs is sort of helping us to identify genetic variants in dogs that will help dogs, and it also helps us identify genetic variants that are important for human diseases. In veterinary medicine, it's already been shown in the US that gene therapy could be a way forward for treatment. If we understand the disease and what causes the disease, we could also, potentially use different therapies and see if that works on dog. That would be good for the individual dog, but it will also be, a first step for helping humans.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.